Hello everybody, here it is Monday. It's hard to believe it's the last day of June already. And you know, we talk about March coming in and going out like a lion or a lamb. Well, June going out like a lion. Boy, we had a really wild outbreak of thunderstorms earlier today, but now we take a look at the Storm Team 10 storm tracker and there is nothing within the News 10 viewing area, and so we're okay, especially for the next several hours. And I do want to point out that there still is a cluster of stormy weather up here in Iowa and edging into portions of Illinois. It is possible that this could make its way farther to the south and into the News 10 viewing area, and that's what we'll continue to watch. The only thing is, I want to point out that at this point, there are no severe weather watches or warnings in effect for anywhere within the News 10 viewing area. Now, there's a tornado watch farther to the north up here in Illinois, but as for us around here, that is not the case. And especially once the sun goes down, we're going to lose some of that energy that helps make the storms. There is a cold front that is helping this to spark off storms, but for the time being, it looks like we're going to be okay through the evening hours. And if we do get rain, if we do have another chance of thunderstorms developing, it will be during the overnight hours tonight and probably not until after midnight. And so you have quite a space of time here to get things finished before we get into another chance of rain as we get into the overnight. And I think the big deal out of this, we got 96/100ths of an inch of rain earlier today and some lightning and thunder and some gusty wind. I think the big deal out of this, if this does make its way into our region, is going to be heavy rain again. And so heavy rain is probably going to be the significant aspect of these storms. Well, 87 degrees now in Linton. You just saw that change. 92 in Robinson. Olney has 88, Flora 88, Effingham 90, 85 in Terre Haute. That is the high for the day today, which is just slightly below the average high of 87. And Paris has 86 and Rockville has 84 degrees. I think one of the things, if you don't have air conditioning and if you happen to be out and you think it's a little muggy, the one thing that maybe sort of helps a little bit is the fact that we have a south breeze at 16 miles per hour. Robinson 16. Vincennes 18, Olney 10, Flora 17, and Effingham 10. The only thing is, all of this wind is still coming up out of the south, and so that means we're continuing to feed moisture into the atmosphere. Now, later on in the forecast period, we're going to change the direction of what happens with all of these storms, and so that's going to mean some really nice weather shaping up as we get into the next few days. But as for tonight, there still is a chance of storms developing through the overnight hours, about 73 for the overnight low. And then for tomorrow, partly cloudy, still quite warm. But this is average. A daytime high tomorrow of 87 degrees. It's just what you would expect for the first day of July. 1st of July, hard to believe, isn't it? And then for tomorrow night, partly cloudy, still rather humid. An overnight low tomorrow night down to about 65 degrees. And the 7-day forecast, another little wave goes through here on Wednesday, but a high on Wednesday of only 82 degrees. And check this out, Susie. Thursday, Friday, 76 and 78, overnight lows dropping into the 70s. I told you were going to like this forecast. And of course, the 4th of July is Friday, 78 degrees, very nice. Saturday's okay. Another little wave comes through here on Sunday and Monday, and that will increase our chances of rain as it warms up a little bit.